on your knee when you feed my pops. I'm making these demons cross. How can you hurt me? The amount that I've damaged myself. I'm just immune to it, G. You need to better your health. Yeah. Casper. Chess games. X-rays, neck pains. Shit. How can I be MVP when I spit these bars, they envy me? Smash up your neck CD like Tempety, should've put it on MP3 lurking cleverly. My enemies fell to their knees, purging therapy is working, dispersing these streets, searching for peace. I really need some solidarity, been working for weeks with leaks, teeth and lost a cavity. Boss fatality, I'm taking your orders, then I'm ruining your business when I shave you to quarters. Stay embracing the paupers while I'm slating rich daughters. I ain't making no offers, I'll just make them an orphan. Man, I slither around death like a snake in a coffin. You'd think I came from a conference cause I was made to be rotten, but then you may feel it often when I raise up these problems.
Shut up!
Guess it pays to be Bronson, cause I got these gloves all wrapped around my finger. I'm like a wasp when it hits you so it don't slap when it stings you. Chess games leave you needing x-rays for your neck pains. Man, don't worry about your chest gains. Chess games leave you needing x-rays for your neck pains. Man, don't worry about your chest gains. Chess games leave you needing x-rays for your neck pains. Man, don't worry about your chest gains. Chess games leave you needing x-rays for your neck pains. Man, don't worry about your chest gains. Chest pain, checkmate. Test fate, less bait. When I come through haunting, I'll just set pace. Step straight, heads caving. I'm making this game right here cause it's mine for the taking. Aching, let's face it, I hit 'em with an earthquake. Make the earth shake, I did it in the worst way. Happy birthday, I got a surprise, let's have it right. But tonight I'll send you to your demise. Here's a present, snap your spine, blow out the candles quick. I'm blessed to rap in time, so don your trample wish. I reminisce of when I found them bits, cause I gotta get my bread, you see me counting it. Found a witch, she was hiding right there under my bed. Drown the bitch or she's hit with lightning. Thunder it spread across the land that I reside in. Can't watch my plan cause it's all timing. Must be high as a kite if I'm a guy you're undermining. Chest pain, checkmate. Test fate, less bait. When I come through haunting, I'll just set pace. Step straight, heads caving. I'm making this game right here cause it's mine for the taking. Chest pain, checkmate. Test fate, less bait. When I come through haunting, I'll just set pace. Step straight, heads caving. I'm making this game right here cause it's mine for the taking. When I kick it, you know that I can keep back this Pacific. I'll put you on a jet ski trip out in the Pacific. I'm winning all the games cause my plans always missed it. So these pricks that tried to outsmart me get hit when I'm ballistic. When I kick it, you know that I can keep that specific. I'll put you on a jet ski trip out in the Pacific. I'm winning all the games cause my plans always missed it. So these pricks that tried to outsmart me get hit when I'm ballistic. I can't be hearing jibber jabber. Hit them when they swing and stagger. Half these guys should think they're bad until they hear their earbuds shatter. I can't take them seriously, bro, so don't say too much. Cause I build up a rage, maybe they hate them. Cause when I kick it, I'm like Van Damme or GSP. Cause we're in England, ain't no dollars, it's for GBP. Cause see my leg kick can snap as if her knees speak weak. I linked that Beal just to kick it, she said keep deep please. Hear the kick on the drum, man, spit this proper hair connection. Crowds run away from me like I was rotten with infection. I can't mess with snakes and grass as if they're plotting on their bridges. Cause that's a pain enough, so I just look them in the bread bins. I can't stand freak people. They're the ones I'm haunting. Alright. When I kick it, you know that I can keep that Pacific. I'll put you on a jet ski trip out in the Pacific. I'm winning all the games cause my plans are always missed it. So these pricks that tried to outsmart me get hit when I'm ballistic. When I kick it, you know that I can keep that Pacific. I'll put you on a jet ski trip out in the Pacific. I'm winning all the games cause my plans are always missed it. So these pricks that tried to outsmart me get hit when I'm ballistic. When I kick it, I'm getting all the green cause I'm a gardener. You might think I'm obscene but you don't know about my past, you know. I keep my wool walls are built up like the Great Wall of China. Cause first my drink starts to spill, but there's a great fall that's fine. Like fine wine and dying nice. If she's got the right mind, I'll try and find the hindsight to excel or climb rhymes. I kick them off a cliff cause I'm off. Like Rick Ross, I'm trying to get my money off fist blocks, not TikTok. So man, they just be stunting with wristwatch. Get ripped off and I'm wearing flip flops to get rock like Slipknot. I'll be ready in the deadly mortar, just like a cow. You're in the house and now you're getting slaughtered. When I kick it, yeah, yeah. When I kick it, yeah, yeah. When I kick it, yeah, yeah. When I kick it.